what are eigenvalues and eigenvectors? First, let's understand what eigenvalues are. Consider a 2 by 2 square matrix A. Let's first subtract lambda times the unit matrix from this given matrix A. Thus we get Now let's assume that the determinant of this matrix is 0. Expanding this determinant, we get the characteristic equation as Solving this characteristic equation, we get or these values of lambda are the roots of the characteristic equation and are known as eigenvalues or characteristic roots. Thus, eigenvalues of a square matrix are the roots of the characteristic equation of that matrix. Note that a square matrix and its transpose consists of the same eigenvalues. The sum of eigenvalues of a matrix gives the trace of the matrix, and the product of eigenvalues of a matrix is equal to the determinant of that matrix. Now let's understand what eigenvectors are. Consider the same matrix A. Let's also consider a column matrix X. Now let's transform this matrix X into a new matrix Y with the help of matrix A. Thus we get this matrix X can also be transformed into matrix Y with the help of variable lambda. Thus we get we see that both AX and lambda X are equal to Y. Therefore, AX will be equal to lambda X. This expression can be simplified as, here, matrix X is called the eigenvector. Thus, when a column matrix X is transformed to another column matrix Y, first with the help of a square matrix A, and secondly with the help of a scalar quantity lambda, then the column matrix X is called the eigenvector. Now let's calculate the value of this eigenvector X. We know that the eigenvalues of matrix A are 6 and 1. Substituting the value of lambda as 6 in this equation, we get, from this matrix equation, we get only one independent equation, which is, simplifying this equation, we get the values of x1 and x2 as 4 and 1 respectively. Thus, here the value of eigenvector x will be 4, 1. Similarly, substituting the value of lambda as 1 in this equation, we get, from this matrix equation, we get only one independent equation, which is, simplifying this equation, we get the values of x1 and x2 as 1 and -1 respectively. Thus, here, the value of the eigenvector x will be 1, -1. The related term is...
Question. Remember keywords.
Related term is...
Remember expression. Remember definition. Useful information.